Hi, this is Mystical Wanderer. It's 27th February 2017 today, and I just spectated a beautiful, beautiful sunset in front of me. And it's a mysterious evening because I feel strangely confident, and I feel like saying things that I'm not sure of right now. But I have this firm faith, and I want to convey it right now in this video, so that everybody can make use of it in a way. What I want to say is, like, be confident about whatever you ask for from the cosmos, because everything happens, everything comes true, everything that you imagine, that you ever dream of gets fucking fundamentally written in your fate to happen. It comes true, it becomes your reality in a way. All the dreams, all the visions that I had in my childhood came true for me. I mean, earlier when I was younger, when I had not even traveled to so many places, but whenever I used to close my eyes, I used to see these waking up, dreams, daydreams, where I was just traveling. Sometimes I was upon some peaks, sometimes amidst oceans, and I was at places I had never ever seen before, and they did come true. And every time I reached a fucking new place and I felt that aura, that vibe, and I realized, shit, I have seen this, shit, this is a deja vu moment, shit, I have seen it in my vision long back in my childhood. Then I used to write diaries for the element Jal, for the element water. That's a very close thing to me. I've written like 5 diaries for Jal, and whatever I wrote there as a dream, as a desire, as a wish came true in my real life without even I doing anything about it. I mean, planning. I just had this deep most will, and I just followed the flow, and the flow is my quote of my life, and I believe in it so strongly and so confidently. Like, I have this full confidence in my dreams, in my visions, and I urge you all to never to doubt yourself, never to doubt your dreams. It's a short life that we have. It's just few years, just 60 years, and I want to fucking live every moment, and everyone should, I feel, because I don't know, I don't think so. The foundations, the social impositions, the understanding of, it's a process, yeah, understanding right from wrong, understanding what is good for you and what is bad for you, which category you belong to, and which lines you are okay with. But it's a process. That's what life is all about, right? But apart from all that fuck up, it's beautiful life, meant to be explored, meant to be lived every moment of. And I feel like, believe in your dreams. Whatever you dream of, everything comes true. Like, everything becomes material, everything becomes matter, from matterlessness, from the form of an idea to the form of very much reality happening right around you, because you have so much of power, because the tattva, the element which makes everything around us and which makes us, is all the same, and we have, it's all energy, and we can move it around, we can change it, we can, as per our requirement, as per how we see. As Buddhism says, whatever we imagine is our reality, and whatever is inside is reflected outside. It also says what is outside is reflected inside, in one more theory, but I think they together, even if they seem contradictory, but they together make one point. The point is that okay, there is matter and there is matterlessness, but in a way we are all formed from both the hollowness and the fullness. We're filled by emptiness at the same time. So we are oxymoronic elements, and we have fucking power to do anything that we dream of, everything that we can imagine, and everything that we imagine is fucking possible. So don't doubt your dreams. Believe in your dreams. Be confident about whatever you ask from the cosmos. It does come true. Mystical Wanderer, 27 February 2017. On this beautiful sunset, just revealing whatever my heart says. Cheers, full power, happy, cheers, enjoy, love and peace.